Hello, everyone! Welcome back to StoryTone English, your daily guide to mastering spoken English. This is day 11 of your daily English speaking practice series. If you're new here, make sure to check out the earlier lessons, especially day 10, where we practiced asking questions and answering naturally. Today, we'll take another exciting step, learning how to describe things around you in English. So, let's begin today's journey together. Story: Rina's walk in the park. It was a bright Sunday morning. Rina decided to take a walk in the park near her house. She brought her small notebook to practice English descriptions. As she entered the park, she whispered to herself, "Today, I will describe everything I see, hear, and feel in English." She looked around. The trees were tall and green, their leaves dancing in the soft morning breeze. Children were laughing and playing near the fountain. A group of old men were sitting on a bench, chatting happily. The air smelled fresh and full of life. Rina smiled and began writing, "The park is peaceful. The sunlight is warm and golden. Birds are singing in the trees. I feel calm and happy." She realized describing things helps her speak English more naturally. Instead of memorizing words, she was learning through observation and imagination. Later, a little girl came to her and asked, "Are you writing a story?" Rina laughed softly and said, "Yes, I'm writing what I see. It helps me learn English." The girl smiled and said, "That's cool. I want to try too." Together, they started describing everything around them, from flowers to clouds. By the time the sun began to set, Rina had filled her notebook with English sentences. She learned something important that day. Fluency is not just about speaking, it's about seeing the world in English. Speaking practice. Repeat after me with confidence and clear pronunciation. The sky is blue and peaceful. The flowers are bright and colorful. The road is clean and quiet. The trees are tall and full of life. The coffee smells warm and sweet. The weather is nice and comfortable today. The room feels cozy and calm. Good job! Now try describing something around you: your desk, your room, or your street. Example: my desk is small but tidy. There is a laptop, a cup of coffee, and a notebook. The light from the window makes the room bright. Practice this daily. You'll notice your vocabulary, sentence rhythm, and confidence improving quickly. Tips for descriptive speaking. Use your 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Add emotions. Say how something makes you feel. Use adjectives: beautiful, calm, bright, noisy, lovely, peaceful. Describe details: colors, shapes, sizes, and textures. Speak slowly and clearly. Your goal is expression, not speed. Remember, fluent speakers don't use big words. They use clear and expressive words. Evening reflection. When Rina reached home that evening, she opened her notebook again. She read her sentences softly. The sunset is beautiful. The orange sky looks like a painting. The park feels quiet and full of peace. She smiled and thought, when I describe things, I think in English. And when I think in English, I speak naturally. She felt proud. Her English wasn't just improving, it was becoming a part of her daily life. Your daily challenge. Practice time. Today's challenge for you. Look around your room or outside your window. Describe 5 things you can see. Record yourself speaking for 3 to 5 minutes. Listen to your voice and improve small mistakes. Example practice. There is a tree outside my window. It's tall and green. Birds sit on it in the morning. The wind moves the leaves gently. I like this view. Do this daily. Your English will start to feel natural, just like your thoughts. Amazing work today. This was day 11 of your daily English speaking practice series on StoryTone English. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps our channel grow. Join us tomorrow for day 12, where Rina will learn how to describe people's appearance and personality, a fun and powerful way to expand your English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. You are getting better every single day. See you tomorrow.